All right, geared up, hit the woods. Bushcraft. For the homies. Poof. Vaporize. Brought to you by Riverbend Longbows, maker of vintage style reflex, deflex, and ASL longbows. Built with today's technology, made with yesterday's pride. Hello folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors, and snow has thawed. I'm gonna go out and see if I can find some antlers. I got my bow, some arrows, and maybe see a rabbit, who knows. So stick around, let's go play in the woods. See you out there. And of course, now that squirrel season is over, they're everywhere. I've been seeing them everywhere. Whatever. We might see a rabbit, you never know. It's pretty nice out, but still a little chilly. Got my bearskin 3.0 tactical hoodie. These are pretty nice actually. They sent it to me here a while back to try out. Pretty dang nice. Alright, geared up, hit the woods. As most of the country as well, we had a really heavy snow. There's a ton of trees down, so this might be a completely different landscape than what I'm used to. We'll find out. The big one down. Bushcraft. Kind of cool. So my main objective today is just enjoy nature, number one, but find some shed deer antlers. Somebody's probably already went through here maybe, but I haven't seen any other footprints really. My wife and I kind of took a quick walk through here the other day. There's no visuals, and this is sand. Usually you can spot somebody's footprints, but might get lucky. Might be the only one that's been in here so far. But snow just melted this week. Got bare ground pretty much everywhere, so it should be fairly easy to spot some nice sheds if they're about. I'm gonna go ahead and go deep and cover some ridges that most people don't do. So that's my plan. Maybe have some coffee, be in the sausages or whatever. I don't know. Stick around. There's some boot prints, but I believe those are actually my wife's. Yeah, or yesterday. That's what it was. We just took a quick walk. Yeah, that's the only ones I see so far. So that's cool. Squirrel barking at me. It's a beautiful day. It's not freezing. Take a little break. Joe. Soak it in a minute. It is really nice out. Nice little break. We're going to go scour the hills and see what we can find. Oh, I guess so much for being quiet. I don't think there's any rabbits in here anymore. There is no sign whatsoever. I mean, usually, you know, around snag piles like that, the little trees on the outside or briars down on the bottoms will have the bark ate off if there's rabbits in the area, and I haven't seen any of that whatsoever. So, I know our predator population is quite high in this area right now. It's quite a population of hawks, owls, coyotes, foxes. So if you're not a squirrel that can run up a tree, then you're probably fair game pretty easy. But you never know. We get over on the other side, there might be some rabbit sign. Another big oak down. Redneck pottery. You think you get away and you just can't. This is a major bedding area on top of this little knoll. River's down there. But I'm sure that afternoon, evening sun right here feels really good. So there's imprints everywhere where deer just lay up here. Deer population is actually down quite a bit here this year in this area, so I probably won't find anything, but good to get out. Another little big oak down. Little guy there, little deer, little tiny spike. See the little nub there? Little fella. I'll hang it up. Pop a squat here for a little bit. Watch this little draw up here in the thickets. That's where I used to see rabbits when I did see rabbits. Just sit and watch. It's actually very quiet today for Iowa. Usually there's chainsaws and tractors going off in the distance. Guys rip-rapping around on their quads. Not too bad. Of course it is Monday afternoon. So I can hardly wait to get to New Mexico. Man, you get deep in there, it's absolutely dead silent. No human noises whatsoever. So yeah, that's going to be happening soon. Be moving to New Mexico. It's going to be quite the deal. Plan on sharing a lot of cool stuff when we get out there. Between the homesteading, you're going to see some wild country. There's 3 million acres of wilderness area in our backyard, basically. So it's going to be off the hitch, hopefully. Keep my health up. Everything goes smooth, but we got to move our entire life down there. Get my business back going. Building bows right away as soon as possible. Get established here in Eagle. Anyway, I'm gonna work a couple more ridges over and go sit up on this other thicket for a while. See what we see. Only a limb here somehow. A lot of turkey tails. Actually, the best way you can help is if you're into archery or want to get into archery, contact me, put in an order, get you a bow made. Put all these trees down. I gotta find a different path. Alright, I'm gonna take me a break. Get me a coffee and eat some lunch. Somebody did some trailblazing, made me a table. Nice of them. There. Some coffee. Water's a little chunky. It'll work. Two of them. That's cool. Oops. That up. Kinda hit it. Perfect. What an awesome day. Boy, I needed to get out of the shop. Been in there since November. For the homies. My favorite, Vienna smoked sausages. Check out my fork. Redid the handle on it, some walnut. Used toothpicks for the pins. Carrying this fork 30 years almost. Cheers. It ain't rabbit, but it's pretty good. Perfect. That was good. I got a Cliff Bar in there too. Might as well. Dessert. These are good, but I think you burn more calories trying to chew them up than you do your intake. Yeah, if you're interested in ordering a longbow, these are my Reflex D-Flex longbows. I also make the ASL, more traditional flat style bow, 68 inch. These are usually 60 inch. Just click on my avatar here on YouTube and it'll take you back to the home page. There's a description. It has my email and or my Instagram link, and I do all my business on Instagram, so yeah, come find me. We'll hook you up. Colored glass bows. This one's brown. I do green and black as well. They're $650 shipped in the US. Clear glass $750. ASLs are $650. So easy peasy. I'll look forward to hearing from you. And might do a little stump shooting since there's no rabbits moving. Stay practiced up. It's always fun. So do that here in just a minute. Something happened I don't know about. Sirens are going off. Well, I'm in the right place. Good luck to y'all. It's the first Monday of the month. They always do a system check on the emergency alert system. All right, let's roll. Car's coming. Well, I just saw a rabbit. He left the county, and it is thick as you can believe up and through there. I don't think we'll be getting him today. Keep our eyes open. Freaking nailed it too. Awesome. Alright. Practiced up. It's always fun just going out stump shooting or whatever. Keep yourself focused. Real situations. I'll show you the tip I'm using. That's a leaf I nailed. These are the spring judo points. That way when it hits the ground it stops. You won't lose your arrow. Pretty handy. Alright, we'll find another one. And we're coming up on a field edge here, CRP set aside. And this is where we might have a chance of seeing a rabbit or shooting one. I see few signs of some rabbits, maybe some bark missing here and there. We'll keep our eyes open. Might get lucky. Oh, I saw another rabbit, but take a look at how thick this is. There's no way I could get in there or even take a shot whatsoever. Oh well. Go ahead and take another practice shot. There's a little tuft of snow up there about 15 yards. How close I get. Right in there. Awesome. Just to the side of it. 18 yards. Just a few inches shy. Good practice. There's another one. Yeah, man. If it was a rabbit, it'd be dead. Right on. Good times. One more practice shot before I get to head out of here. Poof! Vaporize. Shooting the snow is pretty fun. It definitely won't hurt your arrows. Oh yeah, good shot. Nailed it. Alright folks, well I think I'm going to wrap it up. I've been out here for hours. I didn't film a lot of it, but no antlers, no rabbits. But what a beautiful day. Hope you enjoyed it. Got a little stumping shooting done. Hang in there, we'll get more coming to you soon. We'll talk to you later.